Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on Yanique The Curvy Diva's song Lifestyle that she recently released. So as you guys know, Yanique is in the transition to become a artist. She is signed and she released her first single called Lifestyle. So I'm gonna read out the lyrics, tell you guys what I think about the song, what I think can be improved, just my overall thoughts and opinions on this song. And this video is not gonna be long at all. So her intro starts out by saying pre me, long time. And then the chorus starts by saying, big bumper girl bust a bad wine. For my Instagram page, I'm lurking. I've got no time for you cause I'm working. Big bumper girl shake one time. From a bumper big shake it up like mine. Big bumper girl time. From a bumper big shake it up like. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. Them not like me through the wife I is. Some girl no know what hype life is. Life where me live, them tell that a niceness. Why me take your man, you don't have no style like this? Me born bless, God bless child like this. That no good and it not tight like. Yellow borrow dirty wig, what a lifestyle this. Them a talk about it fake but it still a shake. But me thump in her face, me still await. And this is the chorus that she's going into now. So let me start off, not the chorus, the verse. She started off the verse by saying, them a talk about it fake, but it still a shake. But thump in her face, me still await. Maxfield me come from, that a bad place. So mind how you talk to me, me not do the trace. So where them grudge me for, call me a celebrate. No have no time for crosses no more. Brush them off, them a heavyweight. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. And then she goes into the chorus again. And the chorus is a bit lengthy. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. Them not like me cause the wife I is. Some girl no know what hype life is. Life where me live tell them that a niceness. Why me take your man, you know have no style like this? Me born blessed, God bless a child like this. That no good, it no tight like. Girl a borrow dirty wig, what a type of lifestyle this? Then she go into the second verse and says, bank book ever fat up, don't. People yard me no catch up. And we no match up. It no make sense you compare me. Call me a pepper, them a ketchup. Body curvy for sure. Entrepreneur. I know anyway me shop a straight Gucci couture. Bumper big. Body sturdy for sure. No grudge me while me a work, you a snore. She goes into the lovely chorus again. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. Them not like me cause the wife I is. Some girl don't know what hype life is. Life when me live, them tell that a the niceness. Why me take your man, you know have no style like this? Me born bless, God bless a child like this. Them no good, it no tight like this. Yellow borrow dirty wig, what a lifestyle this. Pre me, long time. Big bumper girl bust a bad wine. Pan Instagram page, them lurking. I've got no time for you because I'm working. Big bumper girl shake it one time. From a bumper big shake it up like mine. Big bumper girl time. From a bumper big shake it up like. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. Them not like me through the wife I is. Some girl no know what hype life is. Life I me live tell them that a the niceness. Why me take your man, you know have no style like this? Me born bless, God bless a child like this. That no good, it not tight like get a borrow dirty wig. What a lifestyle. Them a talk about it fake, but it's still a shake. But thump in a face, me still a wait. Maxfield me come from, that a bad place. So mind how you talk to me, me not do the trace. Them grudge a girl when them a elevate. So when them grudge me for call me a celebrate. No have no time for crosses no more. Brush them off. Them a heavyweight. Some girl grudge me through the life I live. Them no like me cause the wife I is. Some girl not know what hype life is. Life when me live them tell them. Life when me live tell them that are the niceness. Why me take your man and I have no style like this? Me born blessed, God bless child like this. That no good in a tight like get about it borrow dirty wig, what a lifestyle. So basically that is all of her song. The 2 verses and the chorus. The chorus is repeated 1, 2. The chorus is repeated 2 times, and the chorus of the song is very catchy. The chorus of the song is very catchy, but it's also very lengthy, so it takes up a lot more of the record or the song. Basically it takes up enough of the record, and she just had like 2 small verses, which in today's day and age the chorus of the song is what grabs the audience. So if she have a catchy chorus like this, it's gonna grab the audience. And enough of the woman in Jamaica I go like it. I can't front, she did her thing. She sit down on the beat. She don't sound too auto-tuned to me. She sound like herself in the song. And also something that I think that she could change is the lengthiness of the chorus. The chorus too long, and after a while I feel like the song gets redundant because you're repeating over the same thing over and over again. And I feel like when you're making a song should have like one single direction. So like for example, in a dancehall, when Alkaline or Cartel or Popcorn they talk about woman, they sing specifically a song about woman. When they talk about gun tune, them sing a song specifically about gun tune. When Spice they sing, she sing specifically about one thing like sheets and bed sheet and all that, or bumper or whatever the case may be. I feel like this song is a bit all over the place because she's talking about how people grudge her. Then she's talking about how people say her body fake and how people say all sort of stuff about her. She's saying in this video, say people grudge her for her lifestyle. Her hype life is basically the way to go. While she dey work, whoever they talk about her, they snore, and she's an entrepreneur and she only shop at Gucci Couture. And my thing with that is a lot of Jamaican females are now gonna look up at that and think that is the end all be all. So you need to be an entrepreneur and you need to have Gucci Couture clothes to be accepted or liked. And honestly, Yanique, don't do it. About Gucci Couture, please. Anyway, so that's what I think about the whole song. And also I just feel like the song needed to be in one direction. If you think about talk about haters, just talk about haters. If you talk about your fake body, just talk about your fake body. If you talk about you working, making that cash, making that cheddar, talk about that and that alone. I feel like she's a bit all over the place, but I have to give her props. It's her first song. Real produced song that's out there for people to listen to. And I'm sure in the future that she will get better with her craft if she continues to make music. So I like to see women doing their own thing. I like to see women making moves in dance hall, because there's not a lot of women in dance hall, and for that I give her much props and much love. And then another thing, when she's talking about our hype life and all this thing, I'm personally somebody that doesn't believe in the hype life, or believe that I have to be at every party, every dance, I have to look a certain way to please people. And hype life is not everything that is cracked up to be, because enough people have to sell them body, them pussy, excuse me French, all sort of them body parts, them have to use to get hype life. So hype life is not everything is cracked up to be. And more power to whoever that's in the hype life when I have to sell them soul for it. And I don't want females that watch me to think that is the norm or that is the way to go, because it's not. And I don't condone stuff like that at all. I feel like you can still be hype and you can still be accepted, but you don't have to do every single thing in the books to be hype or accepted. You can be yourself and be an individual. So that's what I want the females that watch me, that's what I want my little sister to know and to do and to look up to. So that the part there in this song just rubbed me a little bit the wrong way. So that's my thoughts and opinions on Yanique the Curvy Diva, ourself, first released song, Lifestyle. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about her song, being that it's her first song. Tell me what you think about the song lyrics. Tell me what you think about her as a person. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.